Hey, it's Steve at Raybuck Auto Body Parts. I am in my garage and I'm finally getting ready to do the one project that I've been putting off for a while. It's the black truck that you see in a lot of the back of a lot of the other videos. It's a 37 Dodge pickup. I get a lot of questions about it. People say, hey, they see the Raybuck truck, the 53 Chevy, and they're like, what's that black truck in the back? So it was a vehicle that I bought years and years ago, probably almost 20 years ago now. Built it, drove it for a while, had some brake problems with it, parked it, and then just never got back to it because just got tied up with life. So there it is, sitting right there. You can see it has been sitting for quite a while. Last inspection was 2008. So it's a good runner. It's got a built 327, it's got a 350 transmission, Chevy 10-bolt rear end with posi, 342 gears. So it's a fun little truck. It was a lot of fun when it was on the road. Like I said, just had front brake problems with it. So this thing has been sitting for way too long and it still has gas in it. It hasn't turned over in a long time. It hasn't been run. So we're gonna get this thing out of here into the other garage, so like the workshop area, and we're gonna start taking this thing apart. Probably not the body, but we're gonna drain the fluids out of it, change the oil, flush the whole fuel system out, clean the carb out, get this thing running again, fix the brakes, fix all the other miscellaneous stuff. We're gonna get this thing back out on the road. So we're gonna show more videos once we get this thing down into the garage, show you what we do to it, and then we'll show you what it's like when we get it out on the road. Well, we got the Dodge in the garage, and now we're gonna start working on this thing. You can see, you saw a few seconds ago, it is filthy. There's all the cat prints from when one of the cats got stuck out in the garage. Here's the old bed that was in here. It's a wooden bed. It's actually pretty neat though. It's hinged. It's actually hinged right up here, and the whole thing lifts up. So actually, I'll see if I can get underneath it here. There's a lock right here. You could unlock it. It might be unlocked. And if I, oh, nope, it's locked. I'll show you later. But you could actually lift it, and the whole bed hinges up, and then you can get to the fuel tank and the battery and everything that's underneath of it. And we got the interior that was never finished, but close enough. So we're going to get that cleaned up. It does have newer odometer gauges all in it. If you could see those, they all work. I do have original gauges for the truck and most of the original trim and everything that's in there. Aftermarket seat. This came out of, I want to say, an mid or late 80s Caravan. This was the rear seat. So it was just like the perfect width to fit in here. And I had planned on dyeing the seat black, so I might even try to attempt that. We'll see. Headliner and everything else, it's all in there. So that's it. We're gonna get this thing going. Oh yeah, and here's the let's get this thing lifted up. These hoods are a little tricky. You gotta wash so it doesn't scratch it. And there's a small block that's in there. So like I said, it's a built 327, so this thing will move. Truck doesn't weigh a whole lot, and this will definitely get up and go. So we're gonna get that cleaned up, freshened up, change the oil, put a new fan on it because that fan's really not doing anything, and just go over everything and make sure it's all good. Hopefully we'll get this thing started here in a couple of days.